What is my price prediction for Toshi at the end of this bull run? But also, how much of a correction could we be seeing? A lot of people missed the boat on Toshi, or at least they think they did. Listed on Coinbase, hitting $1 billion a market cap. But guys, we've been talking about this project and base for months. 7 months ago, we were covering Toshi, but I still believe there is a lot of time to make a lot of money. This is a coin that I believe can get into the top 3 or 4. So in this video, I want to go over what Toshi is, all the price action lately, all the hoorah that's been happening, and what do I think the tip-top price of Toshi can get to, guys. It's going to be a great video. We're going to get into everything, the Coinbase cat and more. I love you all. This is never financial advice. Here is Toshi, Brian Armstrong's cat. And you can see where all it's available now. Coinbase, but Bybit, KuCoin, Mexi, Gate.io, Crypto.com. Guys, they are available pretty much everywhere. And there's futures over at Bybit, Mexi, Gate.io. They have an NFT collection. So we've seen this a lot. We've seen Miggles do this, acquiring an NFT collections. Toshi has it as well. So I believe that's a great way for people in the community to really represent by having their PFP be something directly related to the project. But when we come over, like I said, guys, we've been talking about Toshi. You see Toshi right there front and center. We are talking about it down here. We are always talking about base, and I truly believe base is going to be amazing, because when we come over here to DeFi Llama, you can see this is twice the total value locked as Sui has, and Sui is a chain that recently did a 10x. Everyone's talking about Sui, but base is a little bit more quiet, but founded and created by no other than Coinbase. Guys, they are going to push this and integrating with their Coinbase wallet. So when we look at a total value locked at 3.3 billion for base and less than 2 billion over there on Sui, it is obvious to me where the big money is going. But before we get into the price prediction, and more importantly, how low this might actually retrace, things don't pump forever, guys. We need to remember that. Toshi is at 92,000 followers right here. They got the golden check mark, and it looks good. It's a cute cat. People love animals right here, but the volume has been insane. Last weekend, Toshi had more volume than Pepe, Doge, and SHIB. So this is very, very massive. If base chain can get the amount of adoption that I really do believe it is, Toshi can become a very top meme coin. But before we get into the price prediction, I want to look at how much we could potentially see it to retrace before we really get the leg up with that awesome price prediction. So coming over here, guys, we could see that it shot up from about a $60 million market cap, upticked a little bit, was sitting here at 130, 120, and then it absolutely skyrocketed. So at the beginning of the year, it ticked up a little bit, and then here it came absolutely skyrocketing. So what I want to say is I've got a lot of experience seeing these things pump, guys. I've been a part of Turbo when it had its initial pump up to 100 million, and everyone thought it was going to go to the moon, and it continued to retrace a large amount. And so I really want to let y'all all see what my experience is and what it has told me before. So if we grab this Fibonacci tool and we go from swing low here to swing high, that's exactly what we want to do. You can see that it has already came down here and hit this 618 level. Meme coins very, very often will come down to the 786 fib level, and it is not out of their way to go to the 886 fib level. This means 78.6% of that pump it retraces, or 88.6% of that pump it retraces. I know, guys, that sounds like a lot, but I'm telling you, it happens. Go look at every meme coin you love. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Turbo, Pepe. It's happened to all of them. Go look at the data. If you're buying it right here, guys, it probably will not continue to go up, especially when you bounced off the 618 and got stopped right here at the 382 fib level. So I am extremely bullish on Toshi. I really am extremely bullish on Toshi. But what I expect to happen is for us to come back down to this. So I would be eyeballing a little bit over that $300 million market cap. And as always, guys, none of this is ever financial advice. It's just what I am looking for whenever it comes here. But something else to point out, if, like, say we get some bad news or something happens, something else I would be looking for is this 886. And you can see that we have a tremendous amount of support right here. You can see we are consolidating there for a couple days. So sitting right there at 220, or the 303 is where it could retrace to. But I am extremely bullish on Toshi. It could go from 1 billion market cap all the way down to 300 million or even 200 million, and I would still be extremely bullish. So what is that next price move? Let's take a look into it. So if we get the fib right here, we want to expect a minimum of 1.168. And so we can kind of draw it down here, come down to the bottom of the pump, and we would expect somewhere around this 1.5 minimum for the next leg up for the wave 3. So that would look like this, and like this all the way up. And then we would also get another retrace, maybe find 1 billion as support before continuing. And all of this can happen extremely quick with meme coins and cryptocurrency, guys. These are very, very volatile. But where do I think Toshi can go by the end of this bull run? How massive do I think it can get? So if we come over and look at the overall meme coins, we've got Dogecoin, top of the hill, guys, layer 1. You got Shiba Inu. Now you've got this Trump coin that I honestly think was going to start falling off. Pepe, Bonk, Flocky, Dog with Hat, Pudgy Ping was all the way down here. You've still got Brett, guys, okay? You've still got Brett leading the way currently on base. Toshi had passed it up, but since the retracement, it no longer has. And then there is also Miggles down there a little bit that people think is a good cat on base chain. I absolutely love Miggles, but I really believe base is due for a winner. I think Toshi is a lot cuter than Brett. I think it appeals to a lot more people than Brett. I mean, look at this. Look, it's a cute cat. We always know that animals of founders do extremely well. And so when we're looking at this, a retracement down from $1 billion down to 300, then back up to billions. But how many billions? I definitely think it could take the spot of Bonk. And if we go take a look at it, that would put it right here at what is currently the 5th ranking meme coin. I believe that official Trump is going to go down, and I believe that the liquidity from Trump is going to go back into the other projects. But I'm expecting about a $10 trillion market cap right here for overall cryptocurrency. So when we look at it, if it's currently at 3.5 to get to where Bonk is now, that would mean it's about a 10x to get to where it is whenever linear moved with the overall cryptocurrency market to get to $10 trillion. But I also believe that we are going to have a lot of liquidity come out of this Trump coin and flow into these other meme coins. And I also believe that we truly are going to a meme coin super cycle. So from the point we are at currently, I could see anywhere between a 10 and a 15x. That would be a 5 to about $7.5 billion market cap for Toshi. But guys, nothing would surprise me if Coinbase starts doing amazing marketing campaigns with Toshi. You start seeing commercials of that on TV. Oh boy, you better wrap it up, Shiba Inu. We coming for you. But guys, let me know, what is your price prediction for Toshi? And like I said, if you had never heard of it before, make sure you're following Freeman Finance. We try to find all the gems extremely early. We're exploring Kaspa chain, we're exploring base chain, and we're always trying to find the next 100x. Watch this video up above, and if you're not a part of the Freeman of Finance family, what are we doing? Subscribe. I love you all.